Welcome, Form 4, Physics, Topic 6, Optics, Notes, Lesson 9. I assume you have watched Lesson 7 and 8. We continue on concave mirror, drawing the image, the part A, B, and C I have done in Lesson 8. So in Lesson 9, we look at the case where the U object distance same as 2F. F is the focal length. U equals to F, it means that the object is on the point 2F and 2F is actually on the point C. So we have here 2F, that is actually the point C. So now, for the object at the point 2F or C, you will notice that the object distance U from the object to the mirror same as 2F. And how are we going to get the image? As usual, a light ray that is parallel to the principal axis after reaching mirror reflect and will go through the F. Second, a light ray that is going through F after reaching the mirror reflect and become parallel. The first one was parallel, it will go through F. Second, going through F, it will become parallel. Where the two lines intersect, that is where the image will be formed. This is our image. Okay, so you notice that the object and the image are at the same place. The object and the image is at the same place. Next, the case of U object distance more than 2F. F is the focal length. Okay, as usual, this vertical line of course represents the concave mirror. So you notice here, this is the object and the object distance U, which is here, is more than 2F. Okay, the object distance U more than 2F, which means this object is before the 2F or the C. And how are we going to get the position of the image? As usual, a ray that is parallel to the principal axis after mirror reflect and will go through F. The second one would be a light ray that is going through F, reach mirror and will become parallel. Where the two lines intersect, that is where the image is formed. So this is our image. Most of the diagrams are achieved by parallel light ray go through F, light ray going through F become parallel. So this is for the case U more than 2F. We are now doing how to draw the image. And finally, the sixth one, which is when the U is at infinity. When U is infinity, the object is at infinity. So we cannot draw the object because it is in infinity. Now the first thing here is that for an object at infinity, the light rays will be inclined and parallel. The light rays will be inclined and parallel. It is not parallel to the principal axis. It is parallel to each other and inclined. Okay. For this special case, the first thing we should do is we have to draw from the focal point. We have to draw the focal plane, a line. Broken lines, from the focal point we have to draw a focal plane. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is you take the ray that is going through the C, center of curvature, and draw it until the mirror. take the light ray that must go through C until reach the mirror. And the intersection of this ray going through C and the focal plane, that is where all the other light rays will intersect. So if you notice, the first thing we should do, you must draw a light ray going through the C right until the mirror. The intersection of this light ray and the focal plane, it gives you the point where the other light rays will intersect. Example, the other light ray, if you look the top ray, it will go straight to the mirror, reflect back to the point on the focus plane. And the other light ray goes straight to the mirror, reflect, you must draw back to the point on the focal plane. And this is where the image is formed. So first of all, for object distance equal to infinity, where the object is at infinity, the first thing is that the light rays are inclined and parallel. Inclined parallel light rays, and all these light rays, the point of intersection is between the focus plane and the ray through C. This is very important. The point of intersection between the focus plane, which is this, and the ray through C, which was this line. So this and this, the intersection, you must get this first. Okay? And all the other rays will come back to this point. The top ray, straight line until mirror, reflect back to that point. The down ray, straight line until the mirror, reflect back to the point. And we establish the position of the image. Okay? That's it. I finish all the 6 types of images for concave mirror. On the next lesson, I will start refraction on the next lesson. Okay? And before I stop the lesson, in order to better understand, please watch the video more than once. Thank you.